How do you save an audio file as an MP3 in Adobe Audition? By default, Adobe Audition saves everything as WAV PCMs. This is great for archival sounds and sounds that you don't want to have any loss in quality. But it's large file size and it can't be used on all devices. It is very easy to export an MP3 or other audio file types from Adobe Audition. Here I have a laser sound. Pew, pew, pew. I can go to File, Export, File. In the Export File dialog in Adobe Audition, you have many options. You can use Apple Audio Toolbox, AAC Audio, AIFF, Libsyn File, FLAC, OGG, MP2, MP3, or WAV PCM. In this case, I want to export an MP3 audio file. I'll go ahead and label this as LaserPew 02 MP3, then select OK. Now I have an MP3 file that I can use in any application that requires an MP3 file, straight from Adobe Audition. Happy audio recording!